Hey there guys, and welcome to another video of the Curious Explorer. Today I'm going to be talking about my favorite birding spots in Myakka River State Park. Now keep in mind that these spots are in no particular order. The first spot on the list is Deep Hole. To get there you have to go on a trail that's about a mile away from the state park entrance. Here there were more roseate spoonbills in one place than I've ever seen. Deep Hole is a very deep sinkhole, so there was a lot of water birds on the edges and tons of gators in the center. When we went, the water level in the lower Lake Myakka wasn't very high, so we saw a lot of small shorebirds. For more information on the Deep Hole, you can check out my video in the description below. The second spot on the list is one of the most famous spots in Myakka River State Park, the Birdwalk. We first came to the Birdwalk in the evening, and we saw a ton of birds roosting, and we didn't even expect that. Unfortunately, our camera battery died, so we couldn't get any footage. I highly recommend coming here in the evening when the birds come to roost. The third spot on this list is the shore of the upper Lake Myakka. To get there, you have to go all the way down the main park road past the concessions. There, you'll find a big parking lot. From there, if you're looking at the upper Lake Myakka, the spot is to your left. And last but not least is the bridge that goes over the Myakka River. I really enjoyed birding in Myakka River State Park, and the best part for me was the variety of birds that I saw. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And together, let's continue to explore.